Okay, so I've never done anything like this before. I've been hand watering my garden for over 15 years, and now it's in the middle of the summer. It's kind of hot to do that every single day, so this is gonna help me out a ton. It looks like a lot of pieces, but the instructions have lots of little pictures, which is exactly what I need, because honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I think this is gonna be pretty straightforward and simple. All right, first we're going to install the backflow preventer, and instead of going directly to the faucet, I'm using the Dig dual dial hose timer right there. And it says to first attach the backflow preventer, and I'm honestly just looking at pictures because I'm a visual person. So we'll tighten that on, and then we're gonna use the preset pressure regulator. Super fancy stuff. Tighten that on. And then the swivel adapter. And this is what's gonna go directly on the faucet, and then we have our 1/2-inch tubing that goes right there. So I have my 1/2-inch tubing, which is my water line, and it's running from the faucet, which is maybe 10 feet away over here, and I have 50 feet of it. So I have enough for 2 beds and then some. And I'm gonna have it connect from here up, over, down, and then onto my next bed. And I will use the 90-degree angle elbow pieces for that.
Like a thunder shadow is obscured by fear.
I finished running my 1/2-inch tubing, and I've capped off the end by folding it to create a crease and putting that figure 8 piece in. And now I'm going to use my hole punch to punch holes where I want the 1/4-inch lines coming out. And this is the hole punch that it came with. I've already punched holes, but here's how you do it. And I have my 1/4-inch tubing, has holes every 9 inches for the water to come out. And this is the connector piece. It has 2 holes on the end for the water to flow through, and it just plugs right in. And you cap off the end with their goof plug, which is just a cap on the end. The nice thing about this kit is you can really design your irrigation however you want. I've done mine in just simple rows and capped them off at the ends. Done that in both beds, and it's all done. So we're gonna turn it on and get some plants watered.